Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am recording this right now. We are going to go over the packet on intersecting lines. Okay, I believe we've gone over 1 through 4, but I do want to make sure we've got them. Okay, first we're reflecting over the x-axis, or y equals 0. Our points, our new points for A naught, B naught, and C naught are 2, -2, 5, -8, 8, -5, and it becomes x comma -y is our image formula. Okay, the A naught, B naught, C naught, that stands for image of A, B, C after we do a transformation. Okay. All right, number 2, we're reflecting over the y-axis, or x equals 0, and the points are -2, 2, -5, 8, -8, 5, and the image formula is -x, y. All right, let's look at 3 and 4. 3 is, I'm recording this right now, so you can wait. All right, number 3 is y equals x. Y equals x, and my image formula is yx. My new points, A naught is -7, 4, B naught is -3, 2, C naught is -1, 9. Okay. All right, number 4, it's over y equals -x, and my points are -2, -2, -8, 5, -5, 8. So we flipped it and changed their signs, -y, -x. Okay. All right, number 5. I'm doing y equals x, so my image formula is going to be yx. So I'm just flipping them. So I get 2, -6, 9, -3, 7, 3. Okay. Number 6. It's y equals -x, so it's -y, -x. My points are -2, 6, -9, 3, -7, -3. Shh. Okay. All right, next is number 7. Number 7 is where we're doing 2. It's the first time we're doing 2. Okay? So we're going over y equals 0 first, so that image formula is x -y. And then we're going over y equals x, which is y comma x. So my first one, A naught, is 3, 2, 1, 6, and 6, 10. I just changed the sign of the second one. Okay. Now I've got to flip the middle. I'm not going back to the beginning. I'm going to the middle. 2, 3, 6, 1, 10, 6. It's a rotation of 270 degrees clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, and my image formula from the top to the bottom is -y, +x. Okay, all right, next one. Number 8, y equals x and y equals 0. I'm doing y equals x first, so that's y comma x. Then y equals 0, which is x comma -y. Okay, so my points for y equals x go -2, 3, -6, 1, -10, 6. Okay, A naught, okay, the second image goes -2, -3, -6, -1, -10, -6. It's a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise, 270 counter, and my image formula should be y -x. It's which one you do first matters. For number 9. Okay. 10. We're doing y equals -x first, then we'll do y equals x. So it's -y, -x first, 2, -3, 6, -1, 10, -6. And then it's -3, 2, -1, 6, -6, 10. It's a rotation of 180 degrees. It goes -x, -y. Okay, 11. We're doing y equals 0 first, then x equals 0. My points are 3, +2, 1, positive 6, 6, positive 10. And then we are changing the sign of the first one, so it becomes negative 3, 2, negative 1, 6, negative 6, 10. It's a rotation of 180 degrees, and it goes negative x, negative y. Okay, the lines must be perpendicular. Okay, and then our extension. We're doing y equals 3 is the first line that we're going to reflect over. So we go to y, we go up 3. We'd reflect it over here. So this is 5 above. Below, so it'd be 5 above. Okay? And then we're going to reflect over y equals x. And then we would get it in the correct position for 90 degrees. Okay. Next, we're going to do, is it not right? We're going to do y equals negative 1. So right here, y equals negative 1. And then y equals x minus 3. So that is, we start at negative 3. We go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Or you could do, there's two answers, this one, or y equals negative x plus 1 and y equals 2. Or x equals 2, excuse me. So either of those. Okay, the important thing about this, if you rotate 90 degrees, the two lines that are composite are 45 degrees apart. If you rotate 180 degrees, the two lines that you're reflecting over are 90 degrees apart. So whatever angle you rotate, the lines must be half the distance, that distance apart. Okay, any questions on this before we go over the homework? Okay.